on the D&B Dun Bradstreet website, I can begin to look at individual markets. Again, Dun Bradstreet collects information from industries. A lot of times it's by being in touch with the companies individually and gathering their information. It is a subscriber service. You can pay to have a subscription, which gets you deeper and additional information on their payables, receivables, their company ownership. But from an initial search, you can come here to fresh produce companies by region. And so I can click on, say I want to find out buyers in the Netherlands. By clicking on this, it'll take me to 1,260 potential customers in the Netherlands for wholesale grocers and wholesale importers. I can then click on this information, drill down into the company. From this page here, I can get their size. I can get what type of products they handle, how many companies they have in this case, how many employees, what their industry is, what their sector is. I can go down to their website and spend time on their website learning about their product. In this case, it's in Dutch. I can come up here, change it to English so I can read it, and I can get information on the company to identify, is there an opportunity for us to be working with them? Once I've identified that opportunity, I come back here to either company information and contact, and I can go to the info number, or in a lot of cases, I can look at their individual locations and contact them at their locations. As you can see here, this particular company is active in the Netherlands, in the Czech Republic, and Belgium. So very, very active company, definitely a company that we want to take a look at. You can look at their products, company information, certificates, what certificates they require, what certificates they have. FSSC 22000. So the more time we spend doing this type of research, we started out with very general information from the website for International Trade Center for Trade Map. We've since drilled down to get to individual companies and to identify what products they work with, what their key figures are, who the contact information, and we can then begin to develop a relationship here. This company, for example, you can see they have 400 products average in their range. They are a grower in the Netherlands. Doesn't mean that they don't import, doesn't mean that they do, but a lot of times a grower will also have their own trading company. And for example, in the Netherlands, when their onion crop is low, they will need to import to meet their customers' demands. So it's good to have a relationship and a dialogue with these companies.